Hi guys, my name is Farrukh Shamuratov and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this hairstyle. At the first, I want to say you guys thank you very much because you keep watching and you following me. So before I start to do hairstyle, I'm painting all this hairstyle to this book. You can see I have different lines, I have different forms and textures. The hairstyle that I'm gonna show you today is this one. Okay, let's go guys. With massage brush, it's very easy to work with. As you can see, the form is a little asymmetric. So I put the sponge to make this form looks better and bigger a little bit. And I'm working with the side section, the left side section. I'm teasing and then I'm brushing, cleaning up all this hair on the top. I was teasing Andy's hair and covering the sponge because sponge now looks good, right? So we need to close it because this texture is not really good. So, and then I'm working step by step. I'm taking a little piece of hair and I'm pinning it and then I'm opening it and I'm giving some lines to look more easy and soft and then I'm fixing it. So when you put the sponge, it's more easy to fix it then because you can easily put the pin. If you want to give more extra volume, you can twist the hair a little bit and then it goes like this and then it's more easy to make extra volume. I'm spraying like every time, step by step. I'm trying to feel the hair because if you feel the hair, it's as strong or it's as soft and then it will be more easy for you. And before I open the hair, I really brush it good. Comb it good and then it's more easy to work with. It's flexible, right? So now I'm spraying a little bit to make it hair a little stronger and harder, and then I can pull the hair to make exactly these lines and I then pin it. So I'm going like this, yeah. We need to be very careful here because we don't have to make wet texture, because if you hold the hairspray very close, you can make wet texture. So we don't have to do this, okay? Be gentle about that. Here I'm using rose technique, which means I need to tease back coming very good from the roots like 5 inches, and the ends I'm leaving. Like here I was using sticks because it's like easy to just put the point where you want to put these roses. Now I'm practicing to work with sticks because it's more easy to give a direction. So as you can see, I'm here pulling a little bit the hair and I'm giving this lines, yeah? So then I'm working with the back, with the front hair. As usual, I'm teasing back coming at the roots very good. I need to give a direction and I'm then opening it. As you saw on my book, I'm trying to do the same here. So, and that's why it's very interesting when you paint at the first and then you do. So I'm opening it and I'm making these lines again. I'm putting some pins. We need to work with ends, right? So we need to be gentle. We need to be careful about that. I finished with one side and I'm now trying to make another side. So it's the same thing. I'm teasing the roots and I'm back coming, yeah? And I'm then opening another side and I'm making the lines. If the hair is not hold as good, I need to use hairspray step by step. Don't make the sticky hair or wet hair. Be gentle about it, it's very important. So if the hair is not holds good because it's very soft, you can work separately. It means that you can brush all these liners, you can work with one piece of hair. So don't rush. Some people asking me how many minutes I'm spending here. Difficult hair, I can spend 1 hour and a little bit more. If it's not too difficult, I can spend like even 20 minutes. So it really depends on the hair. Okay. Okay guys, I want to know your opinion. Is this painting looks like to this hairstyle? If you like this video and if you want to see more of this kind of video, please don't forget to leave your comments and to thumbs up and let me know. Bye bye!